Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. So if you want to get the best experience in playing the Fortnite, I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to make sure you have installed the Fortnite and also you have the drivers. Then you have to do a right click and you will see the name of your drivers. In my case, I have the AMD. You may have any other type of graphic card, so simply go and click onto this option. Once it gets open, then you will see the options at the top. From there you have to click on gaming and further you have to click on display. Now here you will find different options that are related to the display of your gaming or by your graphic card. So what you have to do is you have to do a quick changes into it so you can get the best results when you're playing the Fortnite. So first we have these resolution option. Make sure all of these options are turned off that are listed here because every single option here will add their value in giving you the best resolution. And after that, in the scaling mode, make sure that full panel is also enabled. By that you will get the wide variety when you have the resolution, and also in the scaling you can keep it into the neutral that has been selected. Further, we have some options at the bottom, but unfortunately in some cases you cannot change them based on what subscription or what type of graphic card you have. So if you have the option where you can change these options, you can go for it and you will get much better results. But if you cannot change it, you can just simply leave these options because we don't have the any option to change them. Other than these options, we have some of the options related to the colors. You can also enable it. They will also add value into it, but it is better that you should only enable the first option because if you go and enable these further options, these may affect the color of your game. So that's how you will be able to get the stretch resolution in Fortnite. If you just simply enable these options, you will get the best results out of it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.